MiniMax M3 just came out and it's an amazing model straight from China, super cheap, super capable. And today I'm going to show you some amazing stuff you can create with it for a very cheap price. So before we begin, I just want to let you know to click on the link down below in the description if you want to learn more about AI. Got a very cheap course for you. But let's begin. So you've seen a great animated video just now on your screens. Well, this was created with Minimax for less than $1 in just a couple of minutes with just two prompts. And today what we're going to do is we're going to pair Minimax M3 with OpenCode to create amazing stuff. Very nice looking website, don't you think, guys? Well, truth is, this was also created with Minimax running inside OpenCode ID. And in all honesty, this was done with a single prompt and it looks beautiful. So today you are going to see how to create motion graphics and promotional videos like the one you see on the start. Beautiful website like this one, because this model has a lot of context window and it's very cheap to run, very cheap to use. And I'm gonna show you also how to set everything up. So first thing, you need to download the OpenCode desktop application. It's pretty much a chat interface where you can open up sessions, write code, and get what you want. I really like OpenCode because it gives you the capability of giving a link for a website and it goes ahead, scrapes it, gets all of the information to the LLM, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to use Minimax, you can just go here on this panel, click the plus to connect provider, type Minimax, and you can get a token plan or whatever plan you want from Minimax, and you can very easily, through an API key, connect your account, just like I did 1 hour ago. So Minimax is a very capable model, and this is something a lot of people don't understand. They also got loads of token plans, such as the ones you see on screen right now. I will probably show them to you through the official website because that's the more fair use. And here's the token plan. So for monthly usage, $20 for nearly 2 billions of token per month of M3 usage, pretty amazing. $50 for 5 billion tokens. And on Ultra, even more. Pricing is amazing. Also, you can go with API pricing if you want to use it inside your own applications. And especially if you do very good context management with small context, it's very, very cheap. And it also has a 50% off for 7 days. So this is absolutely super, super cheap. And look at this beautiful website it created. It even went ahead and created a calculator about which plan it recommends. So this is absolutely lovely and was very easily done through OpenCode, which you can see here. Literally, it created a website. Then I gave it a link to the token plan and it updated everything. Super fast, super easy, super cheap. Also, for hyperframes, where we created this beautiful animation that you saw on screen, even easier. I told it add hyperframe skill, create a short promotional video about Minimax M3 new coding model and put it in a folder. So it went ahead, asked me a few questions because it wanted me to give it information about hyperframes, gave it the GitHub, and it installed everything fast and easy. It created everything, and then what happened is I told it, oh, I forgot to give you the website of Minimax M3. I gave it to it, and it created super amazing animated motion videos. So the power here lies on the fact that with Open and Minimax M3, you can create everything you can think of, from websites to presentations to videos. Anything you need, you just put the skill you want and you get the response you need. And in all honesty, you can use Minimax with whatever provider you want. They also recently put out this Minimax code in the online interface, which I think is also very powerful. If you haven't watched my previous video on Minimax, go and watch it. We focus there mostly on coding prompts, creating games, creating websites for teaching people, and all of that stuff. We really ran it and it was very, very powerful. So in all honesty, my cost was effectively around $1.5 to do 2 iterations of everything and perfect everything. And I think that if you were better than me, you could one-shot everything that I did in this video. But this is pretty much my first time using OpenCode, and the prompts that I gave were very, very simple. So it's never been cheaper. It's never been easier to create amazing stuff with AI. Like, this model really left me very impressed, especially today. Previous time, not so much, but today I didn't expect to see such good quality from it. It was also quite fast, I gotta say, even though it's very cheap, it did a very good job and quite fast. And it also is supported on Cloud Code, OpenCode, Cursor Client, and a lot of other third-party platforms. However, I gotta be honest with you, I tried to put it into Cloud Desktop on Windows and Cloud Code on Windows, and really these applications just don't allow you to put third-party models easily. You need to mess with a lot of configs and a lot of different file systems, which I absolutely hate. So I tested OpenCode, and it was as good with the model as probably any of these. Of course, it doesn't have like a plugin marketplace or all of these things, but it's fine because you are not logged in into a closed source system where you don't have a lot of access on. So for me, this combo of OpenCode, MiniMax M3, and everything else you need is super powerful. If you tested it out, let me know down below in the comments what you think about it. And if you want to support the channel, learn more about AI, the course for AI, 60 hours, 50 hours of content, just for $10, if I'm honest, one-time fee is on the description. Check it out.